How to activate inactive Apple ID. Alright, if your Apple ID is inactivate and you want to activate it, then here's what you can do. First of all, try signing in normally. Simply tap on any preferred web browser on your iPhone. Then in the search address bar, type down appleid.apple.com. Then once in there, you can see downward arrow available at the top right corner. Tap on it. Then simply tap on the sign in option available there. Once you tap on the sign in, simply type down your account credentials. If it says your account is inactive or locked, it should give you a link or instructions to reactivate. But if this does not work, then reset your password. Sometimes inactive accounts are just locked for security. Simply search for the iforgot.apple.com, then hit enter. Then you can see the official website available at the top, I Forgot Apple. Simply tap on it and you'll be navigated to reset your password. Now here all you have to do is enter your email ID and follow the steps to reset your password. After resetting, try logging in again. So that is it. Lastly, if you or someone requests a deletion of the Apple ID, then you cannot reactivate it. You will have to create a new one. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.